Wow, someone needs to go grocery shopping. Or at least order out. Maybe these crumbs will lead somewhere.
Wow.
Oh, yay, a hot dog. What in the world? This hot dog is a lie! It's slime! Slime! Luckily, we've got some gadgets that'll make cooking a breeze. And let's just assume she brought food, like this corn, while we weren't looking. Now we've got niblets small enough for all your mouse friends. Oh, a skewer. They can make easy corn kebabs you just pull out. There's a special treat inside this bouquet, a dumpling maker. Wontons, here we come. Just add the sheet and the meat. Make a bunch, and it's time to cook them up. But let's try another way, with this gravy plate. Add some water around the rim. And keep pinching and folding until it's all closed up. Cut a little off the top and make a bunch. So, what shape do you like better? Next up is an egg opener. Time to crack some eggs. Just bang the top and your egg's open. Oh, and there's a prize inside. Of course, we can also crack an egg on a bowl, or maybe not. I mean, it's open, but it's also kind of a mess, inside and out. Wow, a nutcracker, just like in the ballet. Let's see if he lives up to his name and cracks those nuts. The shell was no match. Enjoy your treat. But will an egg tray prove just as successful? Maybe with this hammer.
Yay!
Either way, you get your nuts.
Wow!
A banana slicer. But don't let the name fool you. It can do so much more, like hot dogs and cucumbers. So, if you ever wanted to stack all three, your wish is granted. A fork? Though it looks like this fork is getting a new look. Won't be as quick on long things, but works even better for small stuff. Wow, it's hot! Can our next tool be an air conditioner? Well, it's the next best thing, an ice cube maker. It's like a little well. Oh, be careful. Don't want to waste all of that delicious soda. Oh man, that's one quick freezer. No, wait, it's our next idea. This egg tray isn't just for cracking nuts after all.
Ew!
And it looks like we're having fun with these ice pops. Guess someone learned their lesson about wasting soda. Let's see how they turned out. Oh, you can just pop them out. Well, they'll certainly add some flavor.
Phew!
Real or fake, these things will make great party favors. Cool. This thing brings food right to you at the push of a button. Ooh, I wonder if it cleans pores too. But the real trick is that it helps you vacuum seal all kinds of food. Do you think you can do the same thing with a straw? Let's hope you don't mind the smell or the taste. Is she okay? Well, one seems quicker. Something tells me this squirrel isn't into nuts. He's more into tea leaves. Just give his tail a nice soak, and he'll make you a cup of tea. But can an orange do a squirrel's job? We shall see. Scoop out the rind until it's empty. And then poke some holes in. Add your tea leaves and some hot water. Just watch it drip. I wonder if it has a fruity aftertaste. Wow, these molds can help you make rice balls in cool shapes. Look at all the rice we have to choose from. Hope it's sticky. What cool shapes! Don't forget the fillings or toppings. Great idea. This'll really bring out the teddy bear's face. These onigiri are really coming together. They're ready for their social media debut. Of course, there's more than one way to impress followers. Leave your face and arms and draw your dream outfit. Peanut butter can be the perfect medium. But toppings can really help make or break your look. This isn't exactly a spoon you eat soup with. But it's great for making meatballs, hence the name. Cook them up, and they're great with pasta. What an interesting bib. Oh wait, that's no bib. It's a plastic bag, and it's giving her an idea. Squeeze and cut them out, and you've got even more meatballs. Kitchen-mazing stuff. Catch you next time. I think you dropped something. Remind me not to use those straws. Attack of the giant squirrel!
Wow.
Looks like our little elf friend here is clearly up to something. Oh, all those poor gummy bears! And candies and sprinkles. But they didn't melt in vain. Now we've got a giant gummy bear. Cheese, the perennial favorite of cartoon mice. And it's great in so many ways. Whole, grated, rainbow colored apparently. Wow, they even remembered indigo. Now that's what I call fancy. This is gonna be one happy grilled cheese. Despite this, I still think he's pretty happy. An apple. Seems simple enough. Now that's more like it. Let's cut it up into cool shapes. Guess the first step to cutting them up is cutting them up. And it can even help you make quick kebabs. It's like a bouquet, and it looks like someone could use it. Personally, I don't care what shape chocolate is, as long as it's chocolate. But still, let's watch. Who knew that chocolate came in so many colors? How cute.
Yay!
Perfect for Valentine's Day. I think she likes it.
Wow.
Looks like it's time to boil some eggs. Scratch that. Make that break some eggs. You know, I always felt that egg whites needed some color. All that work separating the eggs, and they're just back together again.
Wow.
It's the taste of egg with the fun of cookie dough. Jokes aside,
Yay!
eggs are actually good for your eyes.
Wow.
Guess we're having dinner and a show.
Uh-huh.
Are you sure you should leave that stick on?
Yeah.
Unless we're cooking balloons. I don't even know what to think. By the looks of it, I guess it was a water balloon. Now to dig into that shell. Purple, with a hint of stick. I told you we were getting dinner and a show. Huh, after all that eating, it's time for a snack. Ah yes, instant noodles. Hey, that's not our usual seasoning, or our usual noodles. I think I know this elf's favorite color. All 7 of them.
Wow. What?
Literally taking food out of someone's mouth? Hey, that's just mean. An iron? Huh, hope this means more grilled cheese. Wouldn't be too keen on unicorns after one stole my ramen. Guess this elf's a bigger person than me. It's almost too good to eat. Just kidding, I'll have the horn. An Easter elf? I told Santa to offer a dental plan. Oh, so that's where the Easter Bunny gets his eggs. This sure is quicker than those vinegar dyes. You just knew this was coming.
Wow. Oops.
Wow, a diamond! But still no chocolate? Quick, someone get this elf some jelly beans. An emoji pancake pan. Seems pretty self-explanatory. I'd be more surprised if these weren't different colors. Looks like they're done. Let's see some smiling faces. That purple one looks like he knows something. And now he's a crescent moon. Oh no, the bag! How are we gonna get food now? Clearly, I know little of elves and their banana summoning powers. Guess there's more than one way to skin a banana. There's gotta be an eating things with a face joke in here somewhere. With a fruit platter like this, who needs a zoo? Oh, Nutella. Great on toast, or just by itself. And the food lover's best friend, the spoon. Wait, don't eat the spoon! What are we gonna use to eat soup with? Oh, we're just making spoon-shaped baked goods.
Wow.
Guess it's okay to eat. We can always make some more.
Oh. Ugh.
A
Wow.
spiral knife. Can't wait to see this in action. A cucumber. Always good to have some veggies with your gadgets.
Yay! What?
Graters. They're not just for cheese. It's a great thing we're not wasting the cucumber shell. Wow, it's a vegan sushi roll. Probably could have saved a few bucks using prop food. But that would kind of defeat showing off the gadgets, right? Kitchen-mazing stuff. Catch you next time.